So we're endeavoring for fullness, right? And Peng. From Peng we have Peng, Lu, Ji, An. It's the big full Qi, the primary energies when you touch somebody, and the Peng. You have Peng. Or you touch, and we go, Lu, sorry. Okay? Peng, Lu, you can Ji, you can An. Let's say I don't, okay? Let's say I don't have that. So, okay, I have it, and it collapses me. Oh, I don't have that. So I split, and I chai, right? Then I can push him up. Or he crushes me a little bit, and I change. Yep, I change. I change. Fullness, failing fullness, change. Peng Lu Jian, succeed. That's the ideal of pushing hands in Yang style. Life is not ideal, right? They penetrate through your Peng Lu Jian. They create an error in your structure, in your fullness. They capitalize. You change. You use Chai, Lia, Jiao, Kao. Okay? So the diagonal hands are designed to make up for deficiency in Peng Lu Jian, which are all just Peng. They're just the different directions of fullness. So when your fullness is compromised, you use plucking, splitting, elbowing, bumping. Okay? So in the beginning, we accept, okay, I'm not full. Right? And every day of training, we add one little droplet of qi into the container, and we gradually fill up over time. But meanwhile, we want something to do when we touch and we play and push hands. Now, we've already accepted that we're deficient in fullness, therefore our Peng Lu Jian are deficient. So, if we're just moving slow, and he comes in and I split, and you guys have been doing the chai, right? You chai. Or I split to the outside, or I split and I elbow, or I change and I cow, or I change and I cow, right? Or I'm full and I an. So the 4 jins are dependent on fullness, and the 4 diagonal jins are to make up for deficiency. So with this in mind, it's obvious which we need to train, right? So we've been doing the open and close drill. Split. He crosses me. I change. Which is teaching us how to change. How to change. Right? And so this, you can put chai. And you can split. We can have full stance. We change. We chai. We split. We just learn how to connect with each other. We might not even be getting each other. We're just connecting hands. Touch, 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 touch. Chai, touch, touch, touch. You learn how to tuk, 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 how to change. Now, when you cannot change, what do? What happens to your system when you can't change? You insist, right? You resist, you fight, you flight, you freeze, you do all the bad stuff. So before you can do the perfect internal answer, you want to have at least an intelligent body, okay? So we call this smart hands. The transition from stupid hands, which is wrestling, it's male bonding fist, you know, right? It's all the stuff that has nothing to do with Tai Chi Chuan. Yep. Then we go, okay, I change. He changes, I change. We're free to change all the time, so you get classy, right? You get some ability to look classy. As I always say, if you're going to lose, at least look good while you're losing. Yep. At least look good, lose with some class, instead of winning like, yeah. Yang style is regal, right? This is Yang style, right? The nature of Yang style is open, upright, comfortable, suspended. Yep. This is not Yang style. The opposite of regal. Okay? Not Gollum. Okay? It is not Gollum fist. It is not throwing everything you have at it fist. That is not regal. So when you train, even if it's short and you're doing smart hands, it has a comfort about it. Yep? So if he pushes on me here and I yield, it's not he pushes and I, yep? If I can't yield properly, he gets me and I lose with class. Yep? If you train yourself to lose with class, you're doing it correct. So he does that, it gets me, make power, he gets me. Okay. Right? And then it's like, what happened? What did happen? I did it correct 100,000 times. The fact that the first 999,000 times, or whatever, moved me become causal for the correct outcome. It's not that I desperately try to do something to win. I just maintain my own comfort. I'm always at ease. Always at ease. If you're at ease, you can so. You can stay present. Yep?